I'm Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. In this video today, we are going to be going over our mask cases. Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our mask cases. So they do come in black, which we're going to work with today, a blue, and then a white. So they are perfect for a mask. They fit just appropriately inside. They do open and then close in a snap manner. So let's get started. Today we are going to be working with our Caesar sign vinyl as well as our Brother scan and cut machine. We already have our sticky mat in place. Here is our vinyl that we are going to be working with today. One thing to note when you are working with sign vinyl is you do not mirror. As you do, weed it out and then you will mask it and then place it on your item. So no heat is required with this process, which is kind of nice. So we've already sent our design from our Brother Canvas workspace to our cutter. We're going to retrieve our data. We have our image all set in there. We've already done our test cut today. Again, always remember to do that test cut to ensure that you aren't cutting through your layers and your material. Now let's get started. Okay, so here we go. We are finished. We are going to remove. For this, you can save this sheet, which we highly recommend. So we're just going to cut it out to save for later. We have our coastal weeding tool. So we're just going to go from a corner I usually like to do and then just weed away any excess. Here we go. And it's nice, easy weed. It is Caesar material, so you always have that kind of nice, easy weed when working with this material. Okay, here we go. And then the next step is to use our mask. Again, this is Caesar application tape that we're going to be using. So we're going to just make sure that it fits on our image. We're going to peel the carrier off. And then place appropriately. I like to just go from the middle and then just spread it out. And then just make sure it's all flattened against there. And I usually go from the back because you want it to stick to the top layer. So I usually kind of either use my hands. This is a very easy mask to work with as well as vinyl. So usually it's really easy to peel. Sometimes you can also use a squeegee, which we do sell at coastalbusiness.com. Again, it just should come off in one swift manner. Okay, so then we're going to take our case and we're going to line it up appropriately. And again here, you can either use your hands or you can use a squeegee or any really flat surface, even a credit card or of sorts. Sometimes you don't have to have those additional tools for this process. So we're just gonna use a lot of firm pressure here just to make sure our image stays. And then again, I usually like to go from a corner in a smooth, consistent motion. And now you have one personalized mask case for your mask. So again, it does open and you can just set your mask in there appropriately and then carry it around with you. So thank you for watching our video tutorial. You can follow along at our YouTube channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.